Hi everyone. Today is my presentation about which technological tool is helpful in order to give mathematical instruction into the classroom. I chose Khan Academy. That is most helpful tool. It provides videos, small videos, large videos in order to understand the mathematical concepts into the classroom. Informative tool. Khan Academy offers practice exercises, instructional videos, and a personalized learning dashboard that empower learners to study at their own pace in and outside of the classroom. So this is a very helpful tool. The students can get information and watch videos inside and outside the classroom, whatever the help is needed. Common Core Standard. I used the Common Core standard in second grade by using the CCSS Math Content T2NB TB5 to understand the concept of addition by using the place value. If you will see in the picture, there's a representation of place value with vertical addition. In that picture, you see 135 plus 46. So it used the 100 tens and ones. So that is 135. That's 1 represents 100, 3 represents 30, and 5 represents 5. So 100, 3 tens, and 5 ones. Add with 46 to get the answer. So that is pretty easy to watch the video and understand the concepts of place value. If you will see the picture, that I got the picture of the Khan Academy video, and it says 23 plus 30. So in the Khan Academy video, if they will get the answer very quickly because it is telling step by step. So it provides the most exhaustive collection of instruction. Fill up the gaps with the content on this site, and there's 3 to 10 minutes of videos. And students can understand the concept of place value through Khan Academy videos. So in this picture, there is in the first step, it will show that's 23 is 2 tens and 3 ones, and then in the second step, that is it becomes 23 plus 30 equals 5 tens and 3 ones. So that's the answer is 23 plus 30 is 53. So it is the whole clip of the video, but it is a whole clip of I got the screenshot of this, but if you will see the video, it will show up step by step how you will understand the concept of place value. It is from all grades, but the second graders, they can learn step by step very easily. Productive classroom. So teachers make their classroom experiences more fun, engaging, and social. Less lecturing, more project-based learning, and peer tutoring. When you will use this tool, so that is more project-based learning. If you will see in the picture, that's a project-based learning Khan Academy. So it will show the more, it's a project-based learning, more engaging for the students, more socialized the persons, and less lecturing. So the teachers need to do less lectures and more project-based learning, and it will be more fun for the students. And the teachers mostly use that fun for the peer tutoring. The students can teach each other to understand the concept of different mathematical concepts. It is very accessible tool because students can learn anytime, anywhere. Students can access where help is needed. The content is short, fun, approachable, easily consumable. So this is the small short videos and the large videos, and if you will have any question that you will not understand by watching the video, so you can type in the comments box, and then you will get the answer very quickly. That is a very accessible tool. I didn't know about that, but when I was using the Khan Academy and I didn't know the answer after watching the video, and I write down my question on the comment box and I get the answer very quickly. But most probably you get the answer 99% after watching the video. And it is available in you can it is very accessible. You can watch the video in laptop and iPad and cell phone and tablets, whatever it's easier for you. You're inside and outside, in the car, wherever you can. It is very accessible tool. And benefits for students. It is, of course, most beneficial for students. Constant path to learning complex topics and increased sense of possession they are learning, not being taught. So they can learn the some items or some concepts of mathematical by themselves, and it will be more helpful because they're having the sense of possession that they are learning the things that it has not been taught by the teacher into the classroom. And it is focused on core conceptual understanding. So it was more conceptual understanding. The students can understand the concept very easily, focus on every step very easily, and students can get the knowledge. The teacher is not in the classroom, or they are at home and nobody can help them to understand or teach them. They can learn by themselves and provide essential skills that are related in any curriculum used in the schools. Mostly the students need help in mathematics, but it is available in all subjects area, and language arts and science and social studies. With different subject area, they have the instruction Khan Academy also, but it is most beneficial for the maths because it is a step-by-step instruction, so students can understand easily. Of course, it is benefits for the teachers. Because the skill portion of the progress tab permits teacher to recognize the specific skills where the numerous students are struggling. This benefits a teacher classify topics for small group or whole group instructions and identify possible peer tutoring peers. And teachers often pair students who become proficient in skills with students who are stressed on the same. So mostly teachers tell the students you can do practice in class or you can practice at home, and they can monitor their progress by the tab. This is a progress tab, and they can check the students' progress, and they can understand very well they can recognize the specific skills of the students. That's where they're struggling for and where they have where they have good skills and they're proficient at that skills. So and it will be very helpful that the teachers can pair up the students who have masters on the concept and who are having stress on it. So they can pair up the students together and they can teach each other, and in that way they can learn very easily. So that is most beneficial for teachers and students both. The strategies to motivate students. So there are teachers must generate rewards, initiatives, and accomplishment objectives that are smart, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, time-bound. And teachers provide the certificate of completion after completion of the Khan Academy for the students. And the approach is to engage students. The teachers make a weekly or monthly challenge for Khan Academy and celebrate progress by setting bulletin board, and the students track their own development and emphasize the significance of growth mindset, reinforce the idea that everyone is a learner. So teachers mostly put the Khan Academy goal tracking form and add the bulletins on it according to the progress of the students. So this is my all presentation about, and this is the references where I get all the information, and hopefully you like it, and thank you very much.